2025, the CAT D9T returns to the global stage as one of Caterpillar's most powerful and respected track-type tractors, reborn, refined, and now bolder than ever. The world of heavy equipment hasn't just witnessed an update. It's experienced a resurrection. This isn't just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of raw power, enduring reliability, and mechanical supremacy that continues to shape industries around the globe. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 CAT D9T, its commanding presence speaks volumes, with its signature ripper teeth glinting in the light and the reinforced ripper frame towering at the rear. It looks less like a machine and more like an unstoppable force. Its rugged frame, now engineered with enhanced steel composites, gives it increased durability under the most demanding workloads, be it mining, construction, or large-scale land clearing. The undercarriage alone tells a story of calculated engineering. Its elevated sprocket design reduces strain, improves balance, and enhances visibility, giving operators full control, even when pushing against the earth. With brutal intensity, every track movement is smoother and more efficient, thanks to an upgraded hydraulic system and intelligent traction control that adapts to shifting terrain. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the new D9T, a CAT C18 engine that unleashes more than 450 horsepower with brutal precision. It's not just about sheer output. It's about optimized fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and quieter operation, all working in harmony through an advanced powertrain control module. The torque curve has been fine-tuned to deliver maximum push in low speed, high-load conditions, exactly where it matters. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted with more than comfort. You're greeted with command. The 2025 CAT D9T operator station has been fully modernized, offering ergonomic controls, panoramic visibility, and noise reduction technology that isolates you from the chaos outside. A full-color touchscreen display delivers live diagnostics, terrain feedback, fuel usage, and service alerts with stunning clarity. Integrated GPS and grade control systems now come standard, giving operators centimeter-level precision in grading and dozing tasks without relying on external benchmarks. The technology extends beyond the operator's seat. With the latest CAT command for dozing compatibility, the D9T can be operated remotely, enabling productivity in hazardous environments, while keeping human operators at a safe distance. This makes it a vital player in high-risk,